Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this Lilydale turkey sausages. There's a mild Italian, no nitrates. These are on sale, so we're going to cook them up. That's why they're frozen. And here's the back if you guys want to read it. Pause the video, there's the ingredients. So let's cook this up. I'm going to actually cook it in my Instant Pot with some rice and some carrots. And yeah, I'll be back. So here's the sausage all done in the Instant Pot. You could always crisp them up in the air fryer if you want. But I just wanted to do a quick taste test for you. Okay, so that's what it looks like. That white piece is just rice. But yeah, let's do a quick taste test. Okay, so they taste like your breakfast sausages. They're mild, like there's no spice to it. Very like almost negligible, and tastes like turkey that is a breakfast sausage. Not bad. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. And it is quite lean.